In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage timesheet-based invoicing in Odoo 18 projects. If you're new to Odoo, or just looking for an easier way to handle your project's invoicing needs, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how to streamline this process effortlessly. First things first, you need to access Odoo. Start by navigating to the Odoo website and look for the Sign In option. Once you've clicked on Sign In, enter your login credentials to access your account. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything else you'll be doing. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Odoo dashboard. This is the hub where you can access various functions and features offered by Odoo. The dashboard serves as a quick access point to manage all your business processes. From here, your next step is to click on the Project app. This app is specifically designed to help you manage your projects effectively by keeping everything organized in one place. Within the Project app, you'll need to proceed to the Configuration section. Clicking on Configuration allows you to tailor Odoo to meet your specific project needs, ensuring that your workflow aligns perfectly with your business requirements. Next, head over to the Settings area. This section is where you can adjust your project's settings to ensure everything functions smoothly. Look for the option that reads Time Management. By clicking here, you're virtually opening the gateway to effectively track and manage time related to your projects. Within Time Management, you'll see the Timesheets option. The Timesheets feature is an exceptionally powerful tool within Odoo, as it permits you to log hours worked on various projects. It's instrumental in tracking project progress and ensuring that no billable hours get missed, which is integral when it comes to invoicing. Once you've reached the timesheet section, you're at the heart of managing your timesheet-based invoicing. You can view and manage entries, ensuring that all hours logged are accurate and up to date. This detailed information is crucial when generating invoices based on the time logged by your team, ensuring that your invoicing is precise and trustworthy. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated through managing timesheet-based invoicing in Odoo 18. Remember, efficient project and time management can significantly impact your business's bottom line. By utilizing Odoo's tools, you can streamline your invoicing process, ensuring accuracy and reliability every step of the way. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing efficiency with Odoo. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.